Hey, I'm Megan, your content obsessed bestie and the founder of The Social Society. I started my content creator journey way back in 2014. I dove into the world of fashion and beauty. But here's the thing, I didn't have a mentor, fancy degree, or a magic formula. I learned everything I know from YouTube, Skillshare, and just saying yes to figuring it out along the way. Biggest secret is I never stopped learning because the moment you stop learning, you stop growing. So, fast forward to now, I've built a brand and a business and a community that I am so passionate about. And here at the Social Society, I want to help you do the same. So, whether you're an inspiring content creator, an entrepreneur, or someone who just wants to show up more confidently online, I got you. So, if you're ready to build your personal brand and create content that actually connects and finally start showing up in a way that feels authentic and fun, then you're in the right place. Let's do this together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to follow along, and let's get social.